Hi everybody, how are you? It's Miss Leona. We're going to be doing some letter writing today, identifying, writing the letter, and remembering where do we start the letters? We start writing the letters from the top. We always, every single letter. Do we start at the bottom? No. We always start writing the letters from the top. So today's letter we're going to be doing is the letter S. So with our finger up in the air, let's start it off. It goes around, down, hoop, and up. Can you all together? Up, curve, curve, and down. Big letter S and the little letter S. Ooh, I'm getting cold. My lips are getting cold. Brr. Here we go. So let's write it in the snow. Miss Leona, follow together. Here we go. Here's my finger. And I'm going to write the big letter S. We always start the letter from the top. Up, curve, down, stop. Big letter S, uppercase letter S. Little letter S is it's just a smaller version. We always start the letter from the top. And we go around and we stop. Stop. So we're going to come over here now. We have some objects in the snow. Can we see all the objects? I want you to guess the beginning sound of the objects. But first, I'm going to take my water bottle here and I'm going to try to write the letter S. Do you think I can do it? I hope I can. Where do I start? Do I start in the middle? No. Do I start at the bottom? No, I don't do that. I can't remember. Where do I start again? That's right. Good job. Thank you for helping me remember. I start at the top. Here we go. I'm going to put my dot here. So that reminds me, Miss Leona, start at the top. So here we go. We start around and stop. Can you see? Big letter S, uppercase letter S. Let's start again. Now I'm going to do the little letter S. Am I going to start down here? No. Am I going to start over here? No. Thank you for reminding me. Good job, guys. Start at the top. Here we go. Around. There we go. A few dribbles, but that's okay. Can you guys guess what letter we're doing today? It is the letter S. I want you to practice the beginning sound S. I'm going to put a little Google quiz on the Google. I want you to see if you can identify the beginning sound. This is a frog. This is a sheep. This is a shoe. This is scissors. This is a saw. This is a train. This is a car. This is a strawberry. This is sunglasses. And Miss Leona's big old sock. Remember, the letter S goes like S. That's the sound I'm listening for. The sound is S. The action is S. Good luck. I can't wait to see what you're going to do for me. Good job.